Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Aditi and you're watching The Aditi's World. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a party makeup look, which is this makeup look, and for creating this makeup look, I only use 7 products. So if you are interested in knowing how I create this makeup look, so keep on watching. Now, without any further delay, let's just get into the video.
So guys, first I am starting off with foundation. So for foundation I am using this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation and I am in the shade Natural Marble. So first I take few drop of this foundation on back of my hand and now by mixing it little bit I apply it all over my face in the form of dots. And also do not forget to cover your neck area. And now I am going to blend this foundation very well with the help of my fingers. As this video is for beginners, I am not going to use any beauty blender or makeup brushes. So once we are done with blending our foundation, it's very important to set it with the help of nice compact powder. So for compact I am using Lakme Radiance Compact and I am in the shade Natural Marble again. So after setting our base with compact, now we are going to do our brows. So for brows I am using this eyebrow pencil by Swiss Beauty, and guys this also have brush on its cap, and if your eyebrow pencil do not have brush, you can buy this sort of spoolie from any local store, or you can also buy this sort of brush, and you can easily find these sort of brushes in any local store and it hardly costs you 20 to 30 rupees. I am here talking about brushes because guys it's very important to brush our eyebrows before and after filling our brows, and it will give you very nice finish. So now I am quickly going to fill my eyebrows. I am not going to do any shape to them. I am just following the natural shape of my brows and fill in the gap between them. So after brows we are going to apply lipstick. So for lipstick I am using this lipstick from the brand called Miss Rose and I am in the shade 35 Passion. And this is a very bright red color guys, and if you do not like red lipsticks you can go for any lipstick of your choice. You can either go for pink, nudes or whatever shade you want or you like. And now I am using same lipstick as my blush. So first I make 3 dots on my cheek and then I blend it with the help of my fingers. And this is a great hack for those girls who do not have blush. And now I am applying same lipstick as eyeshadow. So first I apply some lipstick on my eyelid, then I am going to blend it with the help of my ring finger. And our eyeshadow is also done. And you do not need to invest your money in three different products, as one lipstick work as eyeshadow and as a blush also. So now after eyeshadow and blush we are going to apply eyeliner. So for eyeliner I am using this eyeliner from Blue Heaven and it's their waterproof eyeliner. So I am going for simple eyeliner as I am not that good in making wing eyeliner. So after eyeliner I am using mascara again from Blue Heaven, and it's their walk free waterproof long lash mascara. So guys, make sure every time you apply mascara, clean its wand like this I am showing in the video, so you do not have excess product on your lashes. I do this process every time I use mascara, and it gives me natural. And also guys, do not forget to coat your lower lashes, otherwise this look little weird. And now I am quickly going to set my blush with the help of compact, as it's a cream product. And after that I use our last product, and this is highlighter. So for this I use eyeshadow highlights by the brand called In Color, and it works great as highlighter. So I am applying it with the help of my ring finger on high points of my face, little bit on my cheekbone, on bridge of my nose, on center of my nose, little bit on our brow bone, little on corner of our eyes, little bit on forehead. And also guys, do add little bit of highlighter on the center of your upper lip, as it give you very nice finish, and the excess on your chin, and you're done.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you literally do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press that little bell button so you get notified every time I posted a new video. And also, if you see this face for the first time, do not forget to check all the videos. And now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.